Hello everyone, this is the fifth video for the series. I call it Real Money Method. This time it wasn't quite easy, so it's about a 1 hour length video divided into 6 different short sessions. Like each session lasts for maybe maximum 10 minutes. But there's a certain information you may find it useful: when to stop, quit each session, and when to raise the trading amount so you can quickly recover when you lose for certain options. And as usual, I'm starting from minimum amount, €1 per position. This is a very short downward trend. I saw it, so I went for it. No, I'm not sure it's gonna continually going down or it's already reversing, so I may increase the expiry time to see what happens. But for now, it reached the top RSI on a 5-second chart, so I'm going for the reversal at the top left window. So this downwards trend may be still continuing. I'm not sure. We'll see in time. So far working. So last video finished around 470, and this one I'm starting from 475. But anyway, as a result, it will reach 500 balance. It's not a big win, only like a €25 profit, spending 1 hour of my time. But the main point is to maintain the balance, never to lose big, because if you lose big, whatever the chances you may take, it will affect you emotionally, and you want to take more chances, and you're going to the wrong way, and ended up losing it. So that was even the last trade, so trend is not forming. Right now it's quite neutral. It's at the top RSI, 5-second chart. So I'm gonna give another try for the reversal using the RSI signal. So this is sometime I do place the position, call and put, basically at the same time when the chart is very unclear without any direction. So the worst case, I'm gonna lose €1.1, but if I'm lucky, I can make a profit. So This is kind of just a testing trade to determine whether it's going to upwards or downwards. It looks like a modest upwards trend has been generating, so I'm following it up on the right top window. I lost a 1.1 euro, and if I win this one, then I lost only 20 cents. So it's no big deal. I'm just kind of testing, at the same time maintaining basically the same balance, and that's very important. And sometimes it takes a long time to find a really good signal. You can take the advantage of it. Until then, just a $1 per position, see what kind of chart it is. Right now, it exceeded the 30-second chart, top Bollinger Band. On the right bottom, 30 seconds. It's a quite strong signal. This upwards trend will carry on. That's why I'm again following it up on the left top window for upwards. Well, this red may be just a resistance, so I'm nesting it a couple more. Even there is an upward trend for candle in order to go up, it has to come down once. So those coming down, I call it resistance. It's not the reversal. It's like a very similar. When we need to jump, we have to bend our knees to jump. That's coming down. So these candles kind of move the same way. If they want to jump up, they have to come down first. Well, basically they are generating the leverage. So anyway, on the right top window, it's a 10 cents loss, no big deal. I'm still maintaining the balance. So I'm doing another test again, 1 euro for both direction, because it's completely undecided right now. There's no way you know which way it's gonna go. So I'm just testing if it's gonna generate some useful trend or a reversal. But movements are quite shy and slow. So probably I'm gonna quit this session because it's kind of useless or pointless trading on this kind of chart. Another 10 cents loss. But I'm not losing the balance, and that's the most important thing trading on this kind of chart. Basically there's no signal. Probably this downwards motion is gonna carry on. This green may be just a resistance, but it's too late for right top window because it's already at the last 30 seconds. I can't nest the position, so I'm gonna lose this one. So I'm gonna call this session off. It's useless. But at least I made a couple of euros. Okay, so I'm gonna wait now 13:11. I take a break here. So now it's 13:14. I took a 3 minutes break. Now this long reds may be a sign for the reversal. I'm not 100% sure, so again, just couple euros. And it seems like a reversal is working. But the question is if my expiry time is too long or not. Because once the reversal happens, green's gonna grow and maybe reaching the top RSI, as you can see it now. And what happened is once it reaches the top RSI, it's gonna reverse back down again. Well, it's not. It's almost reaching to the top RSI. And I took a 5 minutes expiry. That may have been too long. Maybe like 2-3 minutes expiry would be perfect. But you never know how the candle is gonna behave. So most of the time I take a longer expiry so that I have a little bit better chance. So it's exceeded the top RSI on the 5-second chart, but it's still growing. Now reversing. I still have 2 more minutes. Actually, a little longer than 2 minutes. But the candles keep growing, so I think it's kind of in a safe zone now. Because bottom RSI is now higher than my trading position. So even the green's gonna bounce back down again, it will not reach my trading position. There's not much I can do right now. Only option I have is whether to follow up on right top window going for the green, because it seems like an upwards trend has been generated. So that's what I'm considering right now. But this upwards trend is not clear how long it's gonna last. It may wanna reverse back again. very soon. So I'm just letting it go unless I see something different. Well, looking at the 15-minute chart, the green, there's a quite long green, and the general trend for last about hour and 50 minutes, the candle has been basically going up. So I'm following it up on the right top window, following the green trend. Something happened with my touchpad. When I place the cursor on the platform, it changes its size. To fix it, I have to reload it, but I don't want to reload right now in the middle of the trade. So this chart may behave a little jerky, but please bear with me until this session is over. Okay, the green trend for the green is not happening, so I may gonna lose this top right window, and I'm following it up on the top left window. It may gonna go up again, but now candles are coming down. Maybe that was the bottom. Now it may gonna come up, but it was too late for the top right window. And the candle is still keep coming down. So I took a 3 minutes longer expiry time for the right top window, because this may be the bottom for the red coming down. Then it's gonna reverse back for the green. Like looking at the 30-second chart pattern, it's still going upwards. Sorry for this little jerky chart. I placed the cursor over the platform. It changed its size. Wow, this reversal was not happening for green. and my balance is almost over 10 euros down from original 475. So this is a crucial option, getting back to the original balance. I'm trading 10 euros for the last position. With a hope to recover the last few losses at one option. As far as the pattern I can see on the 30-second chart, I think going for the green was the right choice.
What went wrong with all the love and happiness we could have shared? We've lost respect, and now there's nowhere to go. Do as you
Well, it's already reached the top RSI.
to each other.
That's why it's coming back down again.
No other way that we'll make it through life if we don't help one another.
And now reached the bottom Bollinger Band. So I hope it's gonna go up again.
Learning to give with all our heart and our soul.
So this last 30 seconds
It's trying to survive
now going deeper than RSI, so I'm gonna
more sorrow and
I had too long
is what this
expiry time.
is all about.
So that recovery attempt failed. So the next one I'm going for the 30 euros trading amount. Try again from the bottom to the top, but with a little bit shorter expiry time, because now I'm kind of getting the feel for the speed of the candle. My choice of the expiry was too long to work with this speed of the candle. So expiry should be shorter, a couple of minutes shorter, not 5 minutes, but using 3 minutes now. So now it's already reaching the top RSI, so it could bounce back down again.
Need is tenderness and harmony to make us grow. Learning to give with all our heart and our soul. We're one
This little horizontal sideway movement
some peace and help from our friends.
buys me the time
More sorrow and less anger.
before
This game is all
the red's gonna come down.
All it takes is kindness in a universal love. All it takes is kindness.
Still, it's not reversing back again, so that's good.
All it takes
another 90 seconds or so, as long as this position's not gonna fall back down again, then I'm good. See, as you can see on the 30-second chart, the last failed one, see, you can see 3 30-second chart fell down from the top to the bottom. That is because my expiry time was 90 seconds too long. Minute and a half. So I used the 5 minutes. It should have been maximum 3 minutes and a half. Then I had won the previous one. So I made this expiry for 3 minutes. So now timing is good. Even the red's gonna come down, it's not gonna come down all the way down to my trading position. So basically I have recouped previous losses. With a little profit. So I think I'm gonna quit this session and take a little break. Now 13:31. I took more than hour and a half break from the previous session, and I have a one position placed because I'm looking at this long fall by red. Maybe this is about the time for the end of this falling by red. But I took a chance, maybe enough time for the one option. And I'm following it up for 1 minute later on top right window. Maybe it's gonna keep falling for another option. I don't know for sure, but I'm giving a chance. Now green is popping up, so even for the left top window it is unclear it's gonna come down or it's gonna go up. Kind of undecided now. Okay, it's decided to go up. So left top window I lost, and the right top window it is unclear it's gonna reverse or keep growing for the green. It's undecided. That's why I have these two positions up and down I placed. Worst I lose is if the green's gonna keep going up, I'm gonna lose 1.1 euro, and if candle fall down then I make a profit. But it's very unlikely, so I traded 3 euros and I lost 1.1 euro. No real harm done. Anyway, I'm following it up on the left top window because it may be about the time to reverse back down again. It's undecided. So this chart is very difficult. It's a lot of undecided period. Anyway, on the left top window, I'm giving one more chance for green to grow. Maybe this is the limit. Then probably reverse back down again. Oh, it's already. Okay, I've lost about 4 euros so far since this session got started. But the original balance of this video was a 475. So I'm at least maintaining the original balance. This is right now this session is very difficult because so many undecided. It can go in any direction at any time. There is no definite trend or reversal signal. It's all undecided. I win because I got lucky. So on the left top window, I also have this 2 position for both direction because it's so undecided. I don't have any clue what's gonna happen. It went up and now it's coming down and now it's going up just around my position. See, there's no way I can know about what's gonna happen, so I'm gonna stop this session. It's useless to play with this kind of chart. Take a break. Now it's a 15:05. I lost 10 cents. Okay, now it's a 16:08. About an hour later, I'm starting a new session. Again, it's a very small movement. It has a little trend going for the red right now. So I'm just testing one with a 1 euro. But it's still kind of same kind of chart. See, this 90% return is very tempting and inviting. But if the chart is not happening, it doesn't matter 90% return. Actually, I make more profit in late night or early morning, around 70 to 75% return chart, because chart is a little more steady and predictable.
Everyone needs a dream to call their own. Finding that something
Maybe it is 90%
when we
in the afternoon
special
to evening
cold dream.
is when broker makes more profit, because it's easy for people to lose it.
Always filling us with sweet surprise.
Not always,
Giving us
but majority of times I don't like the chart when profit to return is 90%.
everyone needs a heart to call their home. Knowing the reason for
Anyway,
existence.
I'm on the top right window.
We've got to find that place called
I'm just following this downwards trend.
there's no time for past regret.
I don't know how long it's gonna last.
Nothing ventured, nothing gained, still stands true. So let's go.
Okay, I'm following it up on top right window.
There's
1 minute later,
inhibition.
maybe this trend may last for another option.
Rain to dance.
Then it's gonna reverse back, or it's already reversing back.
Everyone needs a love that never dies.
Okay, left top window 1.
Through all seasons,
Just very little step at a time.
we'll rest our souls at peace in dreamland.
Okay, this trend may be okay for right top window option, and I'm following it up
That we've all
one more time on the left top window with a 2 minutes delay from the right top window. This green is probably just the resistance, it's not the reversal. And for the right top window,
or inhibition. Just a free rein to dance under the fountain of desire.
I determined it's still going downtrend, but needs a little time, I think, for the red to fall down again. So I gave a 5 minutes on the right top window.
Just a free rein to dance
3 minutes behind
under the fountain
the left top window.
of desire.
As I said earlier, in order for candle to going down, it has to go up first. So that's what I see. It is not reversing back. It's still a continuation of a red falling down, but very slowly. If there was a reversal, it should be reversed long time ago. So there's two positions on top right window. Because it was so narrow and undecided, I positioned the test position, red and green, call and put, both positions. So worst can happen is I lose 10 cents, and there's a little gap between red and green position, and if it's gonna fall in between these positions, I'm gonna win 90 cents. So here's nothing to lose. Just wait and see. See, the red finally came down. And it was a little too quick spike, those two reds. So I think it's gonna reverse back up again. That's why I'm placing these call positions, so that I can get some kind of profit. Because the original two positions will not generate a profit. But I may have been wrong. It may want to keep going down. I'm persistently going for the green. Maybe not enough time. Okay, I lost €1.30, no big deal. I'm still about €15 above the original balance, so I quit that one. And now, about 2 hours later, I opened a new session. See, this is a very difficult chart. If you look at the 15-minute chart, it's like green and red switching back and forth. That means there is no definite trend. Candle can go in any direction at any given time. So trading on these charts are very difficult because candle can go to any direction, and I have no clue what kind of expiry time is appropriate. Right now it has a weak downwards trend. Okay, that little sign is from my practice account. I was just playing with the practice account for a while I took a break from the real money. This 30-second chart indicates very weak downwards trend. But on the 5 seconds right top window, I'm going for the reversal, but because the RSI has been crawling at the bottom red. I just position one position for the put in case the candle is gonna go down. But my hunch is it's going to reverse, but very slowly. Anyway, that the little red dye position is helping, and now it has a strong momentum going down. So I added one more position for red to minimize the loss. I don't think I can win on this option on the right top window, but I'm just trying to figure it out how to minimize the loss. So I'm trading €6 right now. So I'm hoping to minimize the loss for a couple of euros instead of everything. Okay, now it's generating the profit, 56 cents, that's good. Yeah, it's impossible to tell where it's gonna end it up with. Very difficult chart. Okay, €1 and 34 cents loss, no big deal. My balance hasn't changed. Okay, I probably should quit on this, but I'm gonna give just one more shot. Now downwards momentum is a little strong, so I'm thinking of going down, but on what expiry time is good. Right now I chose 3 minutes for left one, but I think that's too long, so I'm just using standard option on the right top window for candle to go down. but big green popped up. But it's not the reversal. I think still the momentum is going down. But I could be wrong. Okay, I lost 12 cents, no big deal. Now the left top window, again I'm trying to minimize the loss. Because I don't want to lose the whole thing. I just positioned one call position at the top in case candle's gonna go up, but it didn't. So I'm just trying to minimize the loss. Right now 36 cents loss, no big deal. €1.24 loss, no big deal. 2.24 cents loss, that's a little too much. But I'm hoping the candle to come down. If I can reduce the loss a little bit bigger. Right now 36 cents loss, that is acceptable. Okay, now generating the profit, that's more acceptable. Okay, that was great. I'm gonna take a break again. It's what, 18:14? Now 18:20. I started the last session for this video, or probably for today. I'm making expiry for 5 minutes. Okay, I decide to follow up the trend going down. No. I've decided to go for the reversal because this trend has been very long. It's time for the reversal. If you look at the 30-second chart, this trend has been almost over 20 minutes, this falling down. And even look at the 15-minute chart, there's 3 reds. So candle has been falling down for quite a long time as a general reaction for the red for over 30 minutes. So it's a time to reverse. So that's what I'm going for at the left top window, bottom to the top. Time for the reversal. And trend is over. But for this to reverse, you need a full 5 minutes. That's why I'm choosing the 5 minutes time, but it's already couple minutes left. So I'm reinforcing as candle comes down, because this is a reversal. It's just a candle comes down as a resistance. It's gonna eventually go up. Hopefully within the time of this expiry. I think I have a perfect timing to completely reverse. You'll see another 30 seconds. See how going down, the red candle becomes shorter and shorter, and the green is getting longer and longer. Okay, anyway, finally I reached a 500 euro balance starting from the 100 for this real money method. Hope you got some idea, and I will continue. The next goal is to reach 1000, but step at a time. See you soon. Thanks for watching.